we have the ability to rotate this to change our viewing experience from horizontal to vertical with that nice portrait view right here. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand on your LG 24GN650 gaming computer monitor. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's get this stand set up. The stand comes in two pieces, as you see right here. We basically have our footer and our arm, whatever you want to call them, and it's a tool-free installation. We just have two screws that we can finger tighten to get everything installed. So you're going to line them up just like what you see right here. They're only going to fit one way. So you can't really go wrong with this install. Again, match them up just like that. And now we just need to pull this tab up and we can finger tighten them in place. So we got one done. Get it pretty snug. If you really want to, you could use a screwdriver, a flathead, but I like these designs where you don't have to use a tool. If for some reason it's stuck and you're trying to disassemble it and you can't get it with your finger, then it's nice to have that option there. But we have it all done right there and ready to go. The stand has now been assembled. Really a solid stand. And the last step is to go ahead and connect this to the back of the monitor, just like you see right here. And then it'll clip right in place, snap right in. And ta-da, there we go. The monitor stand is now fully assembled and installed on the monitor. Let's go ahead, let's showcase the features of the stand. This stand gives us the ability to adjust the height of this monitor. It's supported under its own weight and tension, so you can land anywhere in between our lowest height setting here and our maximum height setting. Very easy to adjust. We're just using one finger to arrange that. We also have tilt, so we can tilt it down or tilt it back. And lastly, we have the ability to rotate this to change our viewing experience from horizontal to vertical with that nice portrait view right here. Great for spreadsheets, stream chat, anything like that. And we can still tilt forward, back, and adjust the height up or down. It doesn't do a full 360 rotation. We only have that one side that we can turn it to. But it's great that we have all this functionality in a really nice stand, and I want to show you everything from the side here. Max tilt down, max tilt back, height up, height down, or anywhere in between. So it's a heavy duty stand that's very versatile. I wish we had some built-in rotation features to be able to swivel it to the left or to the right. That's really the only thing I feel like this stand is missing.